Minsan ang kinapos kaya muntik hindi makapasok sa Olympics ang ika-4 na gymnast na pambato ng Pilipinas sa palaro. Ang kanyang inspiring road to Paris sa pagtutok ni JP Soriano.
Graceful execution, solid techniques, unique skills. Yan ang ilan sa mga trademark ni Emma Malabuyo na isa sa mga pambatong gymnast ng Pilipinas sa nalalapit na 2024 Paris Olympics. Si Emma ang ika-4 na Filipino gymnast na nag-qualify sa Paris Olympics. Makakasama niya sa Team Philippines ang mga kapwa Phil-Am gymnast na sina Alia Finnegan at Levi Ruivivar at ang golden boy ng Philippine Gymnastics na si Carlos Yulo. Nag-qualify si Emma matapos manalo ng bronze medal sa individual all-around event sa 2024 AGU Women Artistics Gymnastic Asian Championship sa Uzbekistan.
When I was waiting for the final score to pop up, I was holding hands with the whole entire Filipino team. We were holding hands, we were like praying, like, please make it. And when we finally saw the score flash up, and I was like, no way, like, I did it. I accomplished my dream, my goal.
Lumaki man sa Amerika, alam daw ni Emma na gusto niyang maging pambato ng Pilipinas sa international competitions, lalo na sa Olympics. Kaya ang mga pinakamasaya raw para sa kanya,
especially my nanay and tatay, for sure, but definitely both my grandparents, they were just crying when they found out, and I FaceTimed them, and they've just seen me work so hard over the years, and they were just really proud, and not only proud for me, just proud that like I'm representing the Philippines.
Pero alam niyo bang muntik ng sukuan ni Emma ang pangarap na maglaro sa Olympics? Kinapos kasi siya ng punto sa Doha, Qatar leg ng 2024 Artistics Gymnastics World Cup Series noong Abril na isa ring Olympic qualifying tournament.
I remember just crying for 3 days straight. I couldn't sleep because I was just so close to qualifying that I thought, this is over. I'm done.
Sa muli niyang pagsabak sa Olympic qualifier, may isa pang pagsubok, ang injury sa kanyang balikat. Doon na ipinaalala sa kanya ng kanyang mga magulang na ang Pilipino ay hindi sumusuko. Kaya naman si Emma itinuloy ang Olympic dream.
They really encouraged me and they really believed in me, and so then I felt really motivated to do it for them and do it for the Philippines.
Pero hindi lang Olympics ang pangarap ni Emma. May plano rin siya para sa mga kabataang Pinoy gymnast na gaya niya, nangangarap na makapag-compete sa biggest sporting event sa buong mundo.
I really want to help develop a gymnastics program in the Philippines and then also help coach when I visit the Philippines in August.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, JP Soriano, nakatutok 24 oras.